Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail, go to your Gmail and open a email which you want to move to a specific folder. I'm opening an email. The emails are from the Citibank Limited, and here you will find a three dot icon to show more. Click on it. Here you will find filter messages like this. Click on here. In here you can type the email address where from this type of email received. You can also type the email address to whom you want to send the email and also subject here, and you can add some selected text of email, and also you can mention the size, but I'm not typing anything, just the email from. Now click on create filter. Here you will find the first option, skip the inbox and archive it, and then you will find apply the label and choose label. Click on here and then click on the drop down menu here and click on new label. Type the name of label. I'm typing Citibank, and if you want you can keep this label under next label. You can select the label from here. I am not selecting it. Now click on create, and here you will find the last option, also apply filter to match conversations. Click here and look, I have selected three options here. One, skip the inbox, another one, apply the label, and another one, also apply filter to matching conversations. Now click on create filter. The folder has been created, Citibank. Click on Citibank. Emails are automatically moved to Citibank folder, and already 62 emails are moved here. This is the easiest way to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.